Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss binary classification. So what is binary classification? Binary classification means there are only two possible outputs or classes. What it means? Suppose I have some problems. Spam email detection. There are only two possible outputs here. Email is spam or email is not spam. Disease prediction means patient is suffering from that disease or patient is not suffering from disease. Customer churn. Customer will stay or customer will leave. Loan approval. Loan will be approved or loan will be rejected. So as you can see, there are only two outputs here, only two categories here. So this comes in binary classification where we will have only two type of outputs or two type of categories. Okay. So what is the goal of binary classification? The goal of binary classification. Basically, in this model learns patterns from the data, which will we will give the training data to basically build the model. It will learns the patterns from that training data and then predicts which of the two classes the new data belongs to, means the testing data. When we will test our model with new data, then it will predict from which class it belongs to. Okay. For example, input email text. It will predict email is spam or not spam, right? So this is my data set on which I will apply my classification algorithm. As you can see, this is my output column. You can see only two categories here, 0 and 1. So as you can see, what this dataset means from the CGP of a student and academic performance of a student, we are predicting the student will get placement or not. That's what we are predicting, right? So here there are only two chances. A student will get placed or a student will not get placed. Okay. So how we can predict that using Python. Okay, we will do this in practical way. Now, first I will import some required libraries as PD. Okay, now I will load my data set in data variable pd.read slash csv. Now I will give the path of my file, my CSV file, right click, copy path, control V. Now I will check my data is loaded or not by checking first three rows. Data.head 3. Yeah, my data gets loaded and these are my first three rows of the data. Now, first I will basically divide the data set into input and output. So placement is my output column and these are my input columns, right? So in X variable, I will store my input column rows, and in Y, I will take placement, which is my output column, right? Now, data, I will use ilog. I'm saying, give me the all rows of the data, give me all the columns also, but don't give me the last column, -1. Don't give me the last column because it is output column, okay? For Y, I will simply go for the data and take this column. Control C, Control V. Okay. So we will get all the input columns into X and output columns into Y. Now, my data gets divided into input and output. Now I have to divide my data set into training data set and testing data set randomly. Okay. Now, so I will import train test split, go to model selection, import train train test split. Now, now I will take my all four variables x train, x test, y train, y test is equal to, I will call my train test split. These are the things I have already covered in detail. You can check my previous videos, x and y, which which variables or which columns. For which columns we are dividing the dataset into train test for x and y, because in x and y I have stored my input and output column. Now I will take test size, sorry, test size is equal to, suppose I want to take 20% of the dataset as my testing dataset. So I will write 0.2 and random state is equal to 42. Okay. So my data gets divided, right, into training, into 80% for the training data and 20% for the testing data randomly, not sequence wise. Randomly it gets divided. Okay. Now, now I will import my logistic regression because it is a problem of classification. Scikit-learn dot linear model import logistic regression. Okay. Now I will make an object to call logistic regression. Suppose LR is my have given for calling my logistic regression. Now, now I will fit my training data set into the model logistic regression. LR dot fit logistic, sorry, X train comma Y train, right? Now it gets fitted. My suppose means my model gets trained from my training data, right? Now, now suppose I will check accuracy of my model. I will check by giving X test and Y test into 100. Now we got 83% accuracy, which is not that much good accuracy. We will see what are the operations to basically make accuracy better in upcoming videos. But now you can see how we can build a model for binary classification. Now suppose I will predict a value. LR.predict. I will predict, suppose I will give 6.28 and 8. Okay. 6.28 and 8 values. Okay. 6.28 and 8. So we got 0. And here it is also 0. Okay. So we got the right value. So this is how we build model for binary classification. Okay. So that's all in this video. In the next video, we will see multi-class classification, in which we will have multiple classes, not only two classes, or not. We will not have only two categories. We will have multiple categories. Okay. So we will see in the next video. Okay. Thank you.